Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just going to be going over what to expect from the tutorial series. Starting off with, I'm not going to be redoing anything that hasn't changed. So any methods from the previous tutorial series or any past videos that I've made with a method for implementation hasn't changed, I will not be redoing those videos. An example of that would be the async loading screen video. That one pretty much stays the same. But then anything that has changed even just slightly will get an updated video. An example of that would be the engine audio. Even though the method hasn't changed at all, because of the fact that now we're spawning in the blueprint and not the skeletal mesh, and within the blueprint the engine sound code exists. So if you spawn in the blueprint vehicle, the audio will play automatically. We have to put measures in place so that unless we are in the open world, the engine audio shouldn't play. And then in this tutorial series, I'm also going to try and keep things a little more structured, going from one to the next instead of hopping around too much. So the basic rough structure that I'm going to be going with is, first we're going to be doing some basic setup, some simple things like setting up the levels and the blueprint structure that we're going to use throughout the tutorial series. And then after that, we're going to jump in and do the main menu level, everything that's contained within there. Then after that, we're going to go over to the dealership and everything that happens in there. After that, we're going to do the workshop, which involves setting up the vehicle customization. And then after that, we're going to jump into the open world. And the reason why I set it up like this is because it goes from where you have to do the least amount of work to where you have to do the most amount of work. So most of the code is going to exist within the open world, and the least is going to be divided between the main menu and the dealership level. So that's pretty much going to be it. And yeah, that's all that I have to say about what to expect from the tutorial series. And until the next video.